if your AC unit ever breaks, go to your furnace, and there will be, at some part, there will be a switch, and you can take off your thermostat off the wall. But if your carbon monoxide pipes where the thermostat wire is, be careful with the carbon monoxide pipe because it may be a little dangerous. So, where's my carbon monoxide pipe? And make sure your return the ductwork is sealed. Don't mind that. That's been there for a little while. But my AC always works. Now the high voltage will not take off your carbon monoxide pipe. Then if you're trying to get your thermostat, pull your thermostat out. So these are just fake. I made these out of cardboard. So this is that's good. So let me show you the wiring. So the purple is for the coming from the power from the breaker. But I turned off the breaker for the furnace. So the furnace won't turn on. But if you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe. Okay. That's what it has. It's a battery one. And it's 48 degrees. It can go up to 48 degrees. Yeah. Sadly. Has to go up to that degree. Okay. But trying to get the boiler like I am. Go over to your line. That's my line. Okay. So the carbon monoxide pipe is over in this hole. But this is my pipe, but I don't need to put it back on. Let's get into the video. So if your furnace needs work on, your thermostat needs to get worked on, get the wires and look for your code on your thermostat. Just take a photo of it, get a nice shot of it, then go to Amazon or eBay to look for it. On eBay or Amazon. Yeah. I went to Amazon. Okay. Just got me it done. And it came with a battery. That's the battery in there. That means it's on. Go over to the furnace. And so here's how I do it. I put my thermostat. See, I'm gonna have to lay the phone down, but I can't. I cannot do this. Okay, the wires are covered in the thermostat. So here's the wires in. But they didn't know that video is coming later. I got ordered. Now, go to your switch, turn it on. Enjoy your furnace back. Good job. Bye.